PSA. Federal District Judge Susan Paradise Baxter lied to Congress during her nomination. When Magistrate Judge Susan Paradise Baxter submitted answers to senators during her nomination for a lifetime appointment on the federal bench, she knew she was submitting false statements to Congress and undermining the integrity of the justice system. Come on, let me prove it to you. Following is one of Judge Susan Baxter's statements she submitted to Congress. Magistrate Judge Susan Paradise Baxter. I have been steadfast in my judicial philosophy over the nearly 21 years I have been a magistrate judge. A judge should have complete respect for the law and every litigant and attorney before her, and apply the law precisely to the case at hand. Source: Senator Grassley. Questions for the record. Nominee: U.S. District Judge for the Western District of Pennsylvania. That's not true, as my court docket confirms in my defamation case against Alex Jones, experts, and Pizzagate peddlers. In reality, Judge Susan Paradise Baxter was steadfast when she showed no respect or common decency when she repeatedly violated multiple judicial canons and ethics codes, including Canon 1, 3A, 5, and 2, Rule 2.7, and her judicial oath every time she refused to rule, recuse or faithfully apply the laws in my pro se case. 2. As a result of her cruel, abusive judicial misconduct, she intentionally racked up unnecessary legal fees for fellow rule-breaking lawyers and ended up dragging my case into the Alex Jones texts and January 6 timeline. 3. Judge Susan Baxter was steadfast with opposing counsel when they thwarted due justice, abused a woman, and a pro se plaintiff, while they all knowingly enabled the spread of Pizzagate, QAnon, and domestic extremism. Had Judge Susan Paradise Baxter been an honest, ethical judge with integrity, 1. I would have already received my due justice in my related high-damage defamation cases. 2. Bad actors, fake news, QAnon, and domestic extremism would have been deterred before the attack on the U.S. Capitol. 3. I would not have made this video blowing the whistle on Judge Susan Paradise Baxter making false statements to Congress during her nomination based on her judicial misconduct in my pro se plaintiff case. Judge Susan Paradise Baxter's cruel judicial misconduct taught me well, the hard way. So, unless anyone believes Judge Susan Paradise Baxter repeatedly thwarted due justice against a woman, a pro se plaintiff, enabled the spread of domestic extremism, and made false statements to Congress, for the fun of it, we've got a problem here. Go to the link in the description box for my docket and court documents to confirm Federal District Judge Susan Paradise Baxter made false statements to Congress. The exposure and punishment of public corruption is an honor to a nation, not a disgrace. The shame lies in toleration, not in correction. Teddy Roosevelt. The more you know about the judicial system, the more you will appreciate and respect the ethical judges and lawyers who follow their oath, stand firm against abuse and corruption, and who hold their oath-breaker colleagues accountable who undermine the integrity of the justice system. Thanks for watching. #Clean Hands Rule 8.3 #vacate #judicial misconduct #accountability #oathbreakers #shine light